Hello, welcome to Brain Equation. In today's video, we are going to solve the question 3 power t minus 2 power t is equal to 65 and t is unknown. We can write down this equation in this form 3 power t, we can take its power 1, and similarly 2 power t, we can take its power 1 is equal to 65. So in the next step, this 1 can be written as, because it is 1, we can write down 1 is equal to, we can take 1 is equal to 2 over 2. So it can be written 2 over 2 because 2 will go with the 2 and we will get 1 again. So 3 power t power 2 over 2 minus 2 power t power 2 over 2 is equal to 65. So it will be, we will use, here we will use a very well-known property of exponents. The property is if a power m, n dot m is given, we can write it this power a power n, and m can be written outside of the bracket. So we will use this property in the next step. Here we will use this property, and we can write down 3 power t whole power 2 over 2 can be written as 2 times 1 over 2 is minus 2 power t. Here 2 over 2 can be written as 2 times 1 over 2 is equal to 65. So we will bring this power 1 over 2 inside the bracket, and we can write this 1 over 2 inside the bracket. We can write 3 t over 2, 3 power t over 2 whole power 2 minus 2 power t over 2. Here we will bring 1 over 2 inside the bracket, t over 2 times whole power 2 is equal to 65. So we can write it now. Here we will make our substitution, which is 3t over 2, 3 power t over 2 can be written as equal to x, and we will take 2 power t over 2 is equal to y. We will make this substitution and our equation will become, so we will write here x and here we will write y. We will get x square minus y square is equal to 65. Now this is the new equation after substitution. So we can write this as x plus y times x minus y. We have used here formula is equal to 65. So here we know that we are going to write down the factors of 65. The factors of 65 are 65 multiplied by 1, and the other one is 1 multiplied by 65. So we can write as 13 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 13. So these are the only factors of 65. So here we know that the condition that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So this is our condition. So by keeping in mind this condition, we will take this case and this case, because here in this case 65 is greater than the 1 and 13 is greater than 5. So we will take two cases. For the first case, case 1, and here the second case is case 2. This one 13 multiplied by 5. So in case 1, we will write x plus y times x minus y is equal to 65 multiplied by 1. So here x plus y is equal to 65 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now we will solve to find out the value of x. These two equations, we are going to solve these two equations. X plus y is equal to 65. We will add this equation with x minus y is equal to 1. We will add these two equations and we will get here 2x Here we have 2x and y will go with the y is equal to, here 65 plus 1 is equal to 66. 66, not 65. So from here we will get the value of x. We will divide both sides by 2 and we will get x is equal to 33. So this is the value of x. Now we will use this value of x to find out the value of y. So we are going to use the equation, the given equation, this one or that one, any one equation we can use. X plus y is equal to 65. Plug in the value of x in this equation, we will get 33 plus y is equal to 65. So from here we will get y is equal to 65 minus 33. So from here we will get y is equal to 32. So here we have the value of x, which is 33, and the value of y, which is 32. For the second case, now these values are from case 1. Now for the case 2, we are going to find out the values for case 2, which is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 13 multiplied by 5. 13 multiplied by 5x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. So by adding these two equations, we will get 2x. Y will go with the y, and 2x is equal to, here 13 plus 5 will give us 18. So from here we will get the value of x divided by 2 both sides, and we will get x is equal to here 9. By using this value of x, we can find out the value of y. So we will use this equation, so which is 9 plus y is equal to 13. So from here y is equal to 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 4. So we have x is equal to 9 and now y is equal to 4. We have the value of y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. So these are the values from the case 2. So we are not going to use these values because we cannot find out value of t by using these two values. We are going to use these two values, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. So now recall the value, our substitution, the value of x is equal to 3 power t over 2 is equal to x. So here we will use the value of x, which is equal to 9. So 3 power t over 2, 3 power t over 2 is equal to 9. And the next step, we can write 9 as 3 power 2, or from here we can compare and we can write t over 2 is equal to 2. From here we have value of t, which is equal to, t is equal to 4. This is the value of t. So now we will use the value of y. The second substitution is 2 power t over 2 is equal to y. So the value of y here, in this case we have 4. So we will use this value. So 2 is equal to 2 power t over 2 is equal to 4. So in the next step, 4 can be written as 2 power t over 2 is equal to, 4 can be written as 2 power 2. From here we have t over 2 is equal to, we can compare the powers now, t over 2 is equal to 2. From here we have t is equal to 4. So the final value of t is equal to 4. If we calculate it from the value of x, or we calculate it from the value of y, we get the value of t is equal to 4. Now we need to check this value. In order to check this value, we are going to write down the question, the statement of the question, which is equal to 3 power t minus 2 power t is equal to 65. Now the value of t is 4. plug in the value of t. So 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 is equal to 65. So 3 power 4 is equal to 81 minus here 2 power 4 is equal to, it is equal to 16 is equal to 65. So 81 minus 16 is 65, which is equal to 65. So it is proved, it is clear that power of the value of t is 4. So it is the final answer to this question. The value of t is 4. That's all about this question. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video, bye.